Temu Dropshipping Tutorial: How to do Temu Dropshipping with Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about Temu.com and how you can enable yourselves to make this app help you do the easiest dropshipping with one of the best dropshipping providers out there that we call Shopify. So, to start things off, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to come over to Temu.com over here. And once you come over to Temu.com, here you can get all the necessary details for Temu. You have the blowout sales, the bestseller sales, the home sales, and a whole lot more. So to start things off, what you are simply going to do is you're going to go into sign in and register your account. And once you come to sign in and registering your account, it says all data will be encrypted. So you have free shipping on all orders, you have free return within 90 days, and you have your email and phone number that you can sign up with. Okay, so the registration process is pretty simple. Okay, just add in your phone number and all. Now I already have an email, so I'm just gonna add that over here. Click on continue. And it asks for a password. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add in password for myself. There we go. And simply click on register. So once you click on register, you're pretty much good to go. Here you have Black Friday up to 90% off. You can shop now on these in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And you can also confirm your email address by verifying it real quick because, it's not compulsory, but if you do it, it's just much better. So once you have verified everything and you're set to go, what do we need to do from there? So from there, what needs to be done is we're going to come over to this center over here, and you are going to want to connect it to a shop or a store, right? So first of all, let's go into followed shops. Okay, we don't have any stores or shops right now, but how are we actually gonna, drop ship on Shopify? How are we gonna do drop shipping with Shopify if we don't have a store? So for that, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna come over and you're simply gonna write shopify.com over here. So once you write shopify.com over here, you're going to go ahead, log in with your account. If you don't have an account, just simply go ahead and create one. It's pretty simple. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the main dashboard section of Shopify. And now over here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into your apps. You're going to go into all recommended apps, come to Shopify App Store. Once you come over to Shopify App Store, here it's going to tell you to search apps and guides. So I'm going to go ahead and write Temu up here. So once you write Temu, what's going to happen is it's going to give you all these providers that you can, do drop shipping with Temu on. So it gives you a lot of different providers. You have CJ Drop Shipping, you have AutoDS, you have Super Gift Wrap, but those are obviously ads. To specifically dropship with Temu, I think the best would be Zopi, which is, AliExpress dropshipping, where you can find and import products from AliExpress, Temu, Overloot, Deezers, Zendrop, whatever you want. So I would definitely go with Zopi. Zopi is a much better, output that I go with, and it's built specifically for Shopify, so I would definitely go with this. And the reason I ask you to create an account with Temu is because Zopi does ask for your Temu account. So it says your store is connecting. Let's just wait for the store to be connected. Then from there, we're going to authorize it and tell it to connect with our store easily. So I'm simply going to click on install app. And once you click on install app, there we go. So all your orders goes straight into your Temu. So over here, once your Zobi is running, you can see that it's your basic dropshipping provider. So to actually add your Temu products into Zopi, let me show you what we are going to want to do. Let me just wait for this to load in real quick. And obviously, once it loads in, you're going to see all the different things that, are to be done with this. Now, as we can see, as it loads up, it brings us to all the main and basic plans. So in this, what we are going to want to be doing to work with all of this is you're simply going to go over ahead and choose whatever plan seems to work best for you. So there's the starter plan, which is basically $10. Okay, then there's the basic plan, which is $20. Then there's the advanced plan, which is $50. And then there's the premium plan, which is $100. So, choose just whatever plan works best for you. And once you've chosen the correct plan for yourself, what you're going to do is you can actually get free trial off of it, which is pretty incredible. And then on Shopify, you can start finding products, okay? And all the products that you find are gonna be off of, some stuff like Temu. You have AliExpress and all the necessary places that you're gonna find these orders from. So that's why I would definitely recommend Temu for your drop shipping with Shopify and to actually drop ship to Shopify. Use something like Zopi or any other provider on the Shopify app that supports Temu, because not a lot of providers out there support Temu. You can also go with CJ Dropshipping, but CJ Dropshipping doesn't necessarily have products on Shopify. So this is obviously Zopi over here, but you can also use products like Cartifind. So let me show you how Cartifind works as well. So for Cartifying to work, what we are going to want to be doing is you're going to come here and you're simply going to write Timu again. And once you write Timu, you have all these over here. So just go with Cartifying, add Cartifying to your page as well. Click on install and it takes you to the whole, drop shipping process of how you're going to use Cartifying to actually start your Shopify drop shipping. It's really easy and really simple stuff to work with. It's really simple stuff to get your head around. And it's really fun to use this out of all the things considered. So simply click on install app. Once everything is installed, you're going to be good to go. It takes you to the Cartify Shopify's redirect. And same as Zopi, you are going to start doing everything product related in your Cartify. And obviously both of them have plans, so make sure to go ahead and do the payment for those plans and you're pretty much good to go. So you have all the apps and sales channels for your drop shipping over here. And that's how you're going to set yourself up to actually drop ship with Zopi or Cartifind and drop ship products from Temu to your Shopify. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.